Looking for a calculator that combines precision with comfort? The mechanical blue switch calculator delivers fast, accurate key presses that make every calculation feel satisfying. Its tactile bump and distinct audible click aren't just functional, they're downright addictive, turning simple math into a pleasant experience. This calculator stands out with its retro-inspired design. The round, typewriter-style keys aren't just charming, they're crafted for ergonomics. The large keycaps fit your fingers naturally, reducing fatigue during long use. Plus, its thick tube body works perfectly whether it's sitting on your desktop or in your hands, supporting your wrist with spring-type ergonomic design. The LCD display is angled at 15 degrees to give you the best viewing angle and stability. Reading numbers is effortless, and the screen automatically powers down after 7 minutes of inactivity to save energy. It's a thoughtful feature that keeps your calculator ready and efficient without wasting power. Packaging matters, too. This calculator comes in a sleek transparent box with a light pink finish that hints at its high-end quality. It's a gift-ready design that looks as good as it performs, ideal for anyone who appreciates both style and function. Durability is guaranteed thanks to advanced ABS materials that ensure long-lasting use. Backed by a 1-year quality guarantee, you can trust this calculator to keep up with your daily demands. Plus, customer service is available around the clock, ready to assist with any questions or concerns. Users across the United States are raving about it. One top review calls it the best calculator ever, praising the perfect key size and satisfying click sound. The extended screen lets you enter more than 9 digits, making it practical for complex calculations. Many buyers are even considering backups to keep this reliable tool close at hand. If you want a calculator that combines precision, comfort, and style, this mechanical blue switch calculator is worth a look. It's designed to make your work easier and more enjoyable, whether you're crunching numbers at your desk or on the go. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your calculation experience. With its thoughtful design and proven durability, this calculator isn't just a tool, it's a smart addition to your workspace.